Why do most celebrities always hold a bottle of alkaline water? Isn't tap water enough for them, or is it just a show-off? Actually, no. In reality, scientists say drinking alkaline water is better for your body than regular water. Again, the question is why? Well, today's video is going to answer that why. Here are the 5 benefits of alkaline water. Number 5. Improving bone health. Bone health is the backbone of your body, literally. Research suggests that drinking alkaline water can actually help keep your bones strong. There's this process called bone resorption, where old bone cells are broken down and replaced with new ones. Too much of this can weaken your bones, but drinking alkaline water, especially the kind rich in bicarbonate, can help slow down this process. So the bottom line is, sipping on alkaline water could mean stronger, healthier bones in the long run. Now, who wouldn't want that? Number 4. Soothe acid reflux. You know, that uncomfortable feeling when the contents of your stomach decide to take a joyride into your food pipe, which is not funny. According to a study published in the Annals of Otology, Rhinology and Laryngology, drinking alkaline water with a pH of 8.8 can work wonders for soothing acid reflux. But how does it do that? Here's the science. You know regular water, right? It's like the neutral player, not too acidic, not too alkaline, with a pH of 7. And you know your body too. Sometimes food can make your stomach acidic, so here comes alkaline water. It's got a pH level of 8 or 9, which is basic. So to neutralize your body, alkaline water is prescribed to drink. In more detail, an enzyme called pepsin, which operates at a higher pH level, causes trouble by breaking down food proteins and leading to acid reflux. However, this enzyme doesn't stand a chance against alkaline water. Let me tell you about the contents of this water. It's packed with essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium. So next time you feel that familiar burn creeping up, reach for a glass of alkaline water and let it work its magic. Number 3. Reduce high blood pressure, blood sugar, and cholesterol. Now let's talk about some serious health perks. Scientists in Shanghai did some research and found something fascinating. After 3 to 6 months of drinking alkaline water, people dealing with high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and high cholesterol saw some impressive improvements. Here's the trick. Alkaline water seemed to work its magic by reducing blood viscosity, basically making your blood less thick and sticky. Imagine your blood flowing smoothly like a serene river instead of getting all thick and gooey. This not only eases the strain on your heart, but also helps keep those cardiovascular issues away from you. Number 2. Enhances hydration. The most important factor of this water, a study from 2017 published in the Biology of Sport, found something pretty cool. Drinking alkaline water can actually boost your hydration game, especially after intense workouts. After anaerobic exercise, you know, the high-intensity stuff, researchers noticed that people who drank alkaline water had lower specific urine gravity, meaning their bodies were holding onto more water, which is exactly what you want for optimal hydration, while regular water drinkers saw no changes. Alkaline water also increased urine pH levels during the exercise test and helped the body use lactate more efficiently after high-intensity interval workouts, because efficient lactate use means more energy for your muscles to power through those tough workouts. And finally, number 1. Increased longevity. Check this out. A study from 2016 took a closer look at how drinking alkaline water might affect longevity. They followed 150 mice for 3 whole years. That's like a lifetime in mouse years. And guess what they found? The mice sipping on alkaline water showed signs of aging less and were more likely to live longer. They even saw the insides of those little mouse bodies, examining their kidneys, intestines, hearts, livers, and brains. And you know what they discovered? No significant damage, just a sprinkle of aging changes. In other words, their organs were looking pretty darn good, like they were sipping from the fountain of youth. Don't you think celebrities also want the same? Keeping those wrinkles at bay. See, a big chunk of our bodies is made up of water, and if we're not hydrated enough, it can show up in all sorts of ways, like in our skin, muscles, and organs, making us look and feel older. So to increase our longevity, why don't we also drink alkaline water? But hold on, it doesn't mean that you're drinking loads of this water daily. As you know, too much of a good thing might not be that good. which is precisely right in this case as well. Whilst alkaline water is like a hydration gym, overdoing it could throw off your body's natural balance. Imagine it like trying to be too chill at a party. It might not end well. So if you guzzle down loads of alkaline water, it can neutralize the natural acids in your body, ultimately killing the good bacteria and probiotics responsible for keeping harmful bacteria and other nasties in check. And if you enjoy this kind of content, our latest video on the 9 best diets for weight loss is out. Click here to discover which food should be on your plate for weight loss.